Hi everybody. Welcome to your big debation. Okay, we're back on channel. Now, do you think this is gonna work? Now, don't switch this back off. You're gonna say hi to me, with me. Mom, or so. When we were on this. And I thought we were gonna do rehearsal. Mom, would you do the honors? Look. It is gonna work, Mom. Cheers.
Nostrovia. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's our Mother's Day video. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the chaos that ensues. Do you want to prime your eyes, Emberly? Put a little primer on there?
No, thank you.
Okay. Let me prime my eyes before we get into the Q&As.
Hey, Mom, look at my face.
Oh, already looks so beautiful. Emberly, if you could have anything for breakfast, what would it be?
I don't know.
What do you like for breakfast?
I really like marshmallow cereals.
Marshmallow cereal.
And I love Fruity Loops.
Fruity Loops. We haven't had Fruity Loops in a little while. Along the same breakfast route, someone asked, waffles or pancakes, which do you prefer?
Waffles and pancakes. No blueberry.
No blueberries?
No, just chocolate chips I like.
Just chocolate chips. Oh.
And why is the camera staring at us?
Because we're filming a video.
Okay.
Alright, so, oh, here's a good one, Emberly. Someone asked, if Mommy was a pony from My Little Pony, what would my cutie mark be?
Oh, I know.
Do you?
Maybe it could be a butterfly.
Oh,
cutie mark.
a butterfly cutie mark. Why is that?
You have to make it first.
Oh, I see.
Say, what color are you gonna make your cutie mark?
What color are you gonna make your cutie mark?
A diamond rarity one.
And that's because Rarity's your favorite pony.
And I'm gonna make my favorite diamond cutie mark in the world.
I see. That answers one of our questions. Somebody asked, what was your favorite pony from My Little Pony?
Yes! Our cutie marks will be amazing!
Mm-hmm.
Mine will be a diamond.
Yes, because Rarity is everything.
Yeah, she loves fashions, makeup quantity, and making dresses, and making everything for Princess Celestia and Luna.
Yeah, well that makes sense.
And for the Grand Galloping Gala! They going to the Grand Galloping Gala tonight!
Yes, the Grand Galloping Gala.
Because we're going.
Oh, are we? Speaking of fashion, Emberly, someone asked, what are the cool clothes to wear for summer?
Oh, I know.
Okay.
Summer is about dresses that we can wear at school.
Summer's about dresses?
Yeah, so that we can wear at school. I don't really have school, what Daddy said.
Another person asked, what is your favorite lip color? I'll go first.
Okay.
Mommy's is like a nice bright berry. For the fall and winter, a deep berry.
I'm like a rarity pony with a cutie mark.
I think we have established that. Does Rarity have a favorite lip color?
No.
Emberly, do you prefer dresses or jewelry, someone asked?
Well...
Do you prefer dresses or jewelry? or
jewelry.
You prefer jewelry over dresses? Really?
Yeah.
What kind of jewelry?
My sticker earrings. I'll do it on your face.
Please don't. Ma'am, this is not a you're doing my makeup video. This is a Q&A. Do you think that we need something to drink?
Oh yes. I know.
What?
Powerade.
Okay.
Let's do blue. Let's do blue.
I will see what is available. I'm texting Daddy right now. Alright, Emberly, this is a good question. I think this might be more of a question for Mommy than you, but it says, what products do you use to maintain those beautiful curls? Do you know how we maintain your curls?
Oh yes.
How?
How?
Are you not going to reveal your secrets?
I am revealing my secrets.
Oh.
What about my cutie mark?
I brought some.
Daddy, I wanted blue.
I brought some of the house white.
I
don't think we have any blue, babe. Would you like to cheers? Na zdrowie.
She has a diamond.
She has 3 diamonds.
Yeah, 3 diamonds I need.
Okay.
Yeah, she has 3. 1, 2, 3.
Alright.
My cutie
Yep.
mark looks amazing.
Thank you, babe.
What are you doing?
Drying it off so that I can draw an outline on it. Alright.
My cutie mark has never looked like this before.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
it's a good thing.
What one? Can I borrow this mirror?
Yes, for a minute. Mom, there's a fan right to the corner. To make myself Rarity.
Rarity.
Yeah, Rarity is kind of interesting.
Is she? Tell us more about Rarity.
Well, Rarity is white.
She is a white pony.
She's a unicorn with a horn. And then she has a body and a tail. And then hair. And then eyes. And then a mouth. And then a nose. Then hooves. So I'm gonna make myself that kind.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay. Mom, look at this.
Oh, I see that. You're doing good.
I'll do it. I need to help. wipe this. I need to let this dry. There. Here you go.
Someone else asked Emberly, do blondes have more fun?
Mm-hmm.
Emberly, I didn't realize you wanted this to be a special effects Q&A.
Well, I lost the other cutie mark.
Now, do you want glitter on your cutie mark?
I
know, I still need to put concealer on. I've been trying to do yours.
Can I help? Can I?
Put concealer on?
Please, can I help?
Yeah, go ahead. I need it underneath my eyes.
You're a silly goose. Now drink some of yours. Mmm.
How's it going over there? Girl. Girl.
I drank that yours.
Yeah.
Can I help you put makeup on?
Can you put some of this on my neck?
This one?
Yeah. My neck. Yep. The pink one. Tap it off. Tap a little more. There we go. And then blush. Oh, oh, okay. Yep. Thank you.
I'm a makeup peruser.
You're a makeup peruser? Or
No,
are you...
Peruser.
What?
Peruser.
Peruser?
I like the sparklies.
I know you like the sparklies.
Can I have lipstick?
Yeah.
I can do it.
Ooh.
I don't want to keep it on. Please? Can I have that on?
Mm-hmm.
Don't do it on my face. Hey! Hey! Achoo! Achoo! Ew! Hey, I wanted to do it.
I'm blown away. Mommy's done. Are you done?
Now we can do your cutie mark.
Maybe could we try like the cutie mark on Mommy's arm?
Maybe just the face.
Maybe just the arm?
Please just do the face.
Maybe just the arm.
Please, could we just do the face?
Mommy's having a really good makeup day and I would just really appreciate a cutie mark on my arm.
Mom!
Would you like to help me?
No. Now, your cutie mark is going to be butterflies.
Okay.
More than that. More.
Emberly, this is turning out to be a big butterfly.
Huh?
Or no, this is like when you go into a tattoo parlor and you just want like a little 2-inch something something on your arm, and then you end up coming out with a half sleeve. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. Here's the video. What do you think? Emberly, do you like your cutie mark?
Yeah.
Do you like Mommy's makeup? Do you like Mommy's cutie mark?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
I thought you had 3.
Did you like this Q&A?
Yes!
I have one more cue. Someone asked, to wrap this up, it said, what is your favorite thing about each other?
My favorite thing about each other is loving each other.
Oh, I love that. That's my answer too. Oh.
And you say something too.
My favorite thing about each other is our sassy personalities, our fun times together, loving each other, and honestly, I just love everything about you, Emberly. Oh. Okay, that was the last question.
Okay, wait. I need to say goodbye. Goodbye. Come back soon and have a very good day at the pressing and have a very good day at the pressing makeup tray. Goodbye.
She's a lot, but I love her. I think she said it all. That ends it for this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big old thumbs up.
Big thumbs up and be sure
to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. We would hate for you to miss out on any more videos.
But have a very good day and
thanks so much for watching, guys.
And
bye.
Bye.
Oh.